Traders, today is 10 of June 2020. We are now live the trading for Mini S&P Futures 500. In this video, we show our day trading for US session. So at this moment, we have stopped our first entry, and now we are re-enter into the market on the same price level because there's a news here. There's a news release about I think OPEC news. I'm not sure the relationship between Mini S&P and that news because it's related more to the energy sector. But as for now, we enter the market. So already 5 lot in the short position at 39 on average 39.93.20. This is average price. So we are back into the positive. So waiting. Alright. So still the target is 84. Somewhere down here perhaps order will enter more positions, so I will try to consider this possible to add in more position because market already jump high and now move the other way around, so it's quite interesting. So we'll see. So Nasdaq, I think unbelievably the price spike also due to the news. Now remain bullish on the bullish side above view area, but still try to come back further down. I think overall market will have a good bearish situation for today. We have profit 111 US dollar. Price keep moving down. Okay, I add in more position. We're still waiting for the market to have a good situation, but more likely market will go for bearish movement. The purple line here is the additional entry. Still we are now positive 61 80 US dollar, 86 US dollar, because I'm trading a micro today, micro mini S&P. So here June contract 2020. So let's take it on the volume. Yeah, 86 at 34 is the additional entry. I have 4 lots down there. There's a cap limited for micro, which is I think 10 micro lot is allowable, cannot exceeding 10 micro lot. Alright guys, I will pause this video, resume later on once we have a breakthrough to the recent low, which is this is during the news. It was very unexpected. So now waiting, once it's breakthrough, then there's a high tendency for the market to reach 67 or 75 to close the day with a bearish kind of movement or bearish indication on the S&P market. Alright, things looks good at this moment. We are on the positive side. Time now is 2 p.m. Chicago time, and New York time is 3 p.m. noon time. Oh no, there's a pullback, but it's breakthrough the news candle over here, which is unexpected that the news have a big impact on the ES. Still waiting, minus on the mini S&P, positive on the micro S&P. Just keep watching all these numbers over here. Is the PNL, current PNL. I need to be careful. If the price move sharply on the higher side, I need to exit the mini S&P and let the micro still remain into the play. Target still remain at 68, so should be around almost 28 points. Now both in a positive PNL. $25 for mini S&P, 1 lot. Micro got 9 lot, so 151 looks good. I think either one will be exit. Now reverse back for the high. Okay, this is gonna take some time. I will pause for a while and resume later on. Traders resume again. So we had just hit our stop. Market did go for our TP target, which is 84, but the lower just now is 83, 85.5, about 0.5 ticks, 1.5 ticks we miss out, and it was very unfortunate day. Losses. Let's take a look on our losses for today. So big losses as well for Nasdaq 400, and micro because of more position, so we managed to have some profit, but overall it's like 300 losses for S&P, 400 minus for mini S&P, and micro 125, so 275 losses for this trade. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.